Within each generation, there is one iconic figure whose success is transcendent, going beyond even world championships. They are men who seem immortal. They are the icons of their time. Hulk Hogan and John Cena, the personification of their generations.
January 24th, 1984, the day Hulkamania was born.
Hulk Hogan, he dropped the big leg on him. History made in Madison Square Garden. Hulkamania is here.
I feel the energy. Hulkamania's running worldwide.
They broke the mold when they made this man.
Hulkamania shall live forever.
Hogan was an American hero through and through. There was no gray area within the red and yellow.
There's only one Hulk Hogan, Daddy. I will meet any challenge, and when I get too old and gray, then I've got to let one of the little hustlers take over. You're going to remember me for a long time, brother.
April 3rd, 2005, the birth of C Nation.
WWE Championship on the line.